Hi guys, my name is Shazuli and I'm a graphic designer, a photographer and a video editor. I've been into graphics for like 2 years now. I know you'll be like 2 years. It's not a professional. Yeah, I'm not a professional, but at least I try my best within that 2 years. I've tried a lot of things. I'm into Photoshop, into Adobe Illustrator, into After Effects and into Premiere Pro. It has not been easy combining your graphic designing career with other stuff like your school, with my other job, with my family, my country, with all the way things are going. I just have to stick to it and do it. I have been learning a lot from YouTube, from Udemy, from Skillshare, and some other experts that I have met on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. It has not been easy, man. You just have to make sure you deliver the right good job to your clients, many corrections. You have to go through this, you have to go through that. You have to think and sketch for a perfect design, a perfect logo. You have to have the ability to work overnight, to do a lot of subscriptions, a lot of nights without sleeping. It has not been easy being a graphic designer. I just have to try my best. It's not easy being a graphic designer. Sometimes after a lot of sketching, a lot of research and coming up with a design and logo, your clients may not like it and you have no choice than to make another one. So those are the stigmas, some of the things that you face as a graphic designer. You don't have to say that I'm tired of this job or I'm not doing it again. You just have to push until you become better, and becoming better is a great thing. Once you become better, you can become greater. So you just have to keep pushing. Nobody has the knowledge for all things. You just have to keep learning every day, learn new things and be determined. Yeah, my name is Shazuli and I'm a graphic designer. Thank you.